I beg your indulgence, Honorable Speaker, because the chair of the Security Committee has just finished responding to the earlier statement. But Honorable Speaker, you may have noticed that yesterday there is somebody or there's a group of people that was circulating a fake list, or what I have been made to know by none other than the police service, that the list that was being circulated on social media last night of OCSs purportedly from one community is a fake list. Honorable Speaker, we're in an age where misinformation, disinformation, and unfortunately, Honorable Speaker, now is getting to a stage where we are using that disinformation for ethnic profiling. And we have a responsibility, Honorable Speaker, as the House of Parliament, not only to protect individuals and communities, but also institutions like that of the National Police Service. Therefore, I wanted your indulgence, Honorable Speaker, to direct the chair of the Security Committee to table before the House the actual lists of all the officers commanding police stations in Nairobi County, so that the hate mongers and the ethnic bigots who is using that list out there may be put to shame, like we put to shame his surrogates when they purported that there were issues that were in the finance bill that did not exist. Honorable Speaker, we have a responsibility as leaders to not only inform the country, but also to set the record straight. Because it has now become customary that you just generate a fake list, circulate it on social media, and now use it as a basis to profile ethnic communities, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I just want to beg your indulgence that you direct the chair of the Security Committee to get in touch with the Ministry of Interior and the National Police Service and table before the House so that the country may know what kind of dangerous characters that you are dealing with in this country, Honorable Speaker, purporting to be leaders. So that when they go ahead to profile communities, Honorable Speaker, and you have seen even some of their surrogates, Honorable Speaker, threatening other people and communities, Honorable Speaker. This thing must come to an end, Honorable Speaker, and it is only us and this Parliament that can bring to an end this profiling. And I also want to ask the commission, the committee in charge of cohesion under the able leadership of Zehaji here, that they also take charge and ensure that the National Commission on Integration and Cohesion does their work in line with their mandate, their constitutional mandate. Because, Honorable Speaker, it will only take one careless political leader to ban this country. And we can clearly see there is one ethnic bigot who is very determined to ban this country. And we must stop him in his tracks. And we must stop him and his surrogates, as useless as the Honorable Speaker. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for your indulgence.